DisputeFox credit repair features, strengths, weaknesses. DisputeFox is a modern credit repair software designed primarily for credit repair businesses and individuals looking for a comprehensive DIY solution. Key features include direct integration with credit bureaus for importing credit reports, a robust dispute letter generator with pre-written templates that can be customized, automated dispute sequencing to optimize the process, client management tools for tracking progress and communication, and compliance features to ensure adherence to relevant regulations like the FCRA. DisputeFox excels at automation, significantly streamlining the dispute process. The pre-written templates are a great starting point, although thorough customization is crucial for optimal results. Its client management features are a real strength for businesses handling multiple clients. However, it's not a completely hands-off solution. Success still hinges on understanding credit reporting laws and actively managing the dispute cycles. Strengths lie in its user-friendly interface, automated dispute process, and compliance features. The software also supports multiple users and provides data encryption, which is vital for security. A notable weakness is its pricing structure. While it offers different tiers, it can become relatively expensive for solo users compared to simpler, less feature-rich alternatives. Another drawback is the learning curve. While the interface is intuitive, maximizing the software's potential requires a solid grasp of credit repair principles. DisputeFox isn't for beginners who expect it to magically fix their credit. It's best suited for individuals who are serious about understanding and improving their credit, or for established credit repair companies seeking to optimize their workflow and scale their operations. One area needing improvement is the depth of its educational resources. While DisputeFox provides support documentation, more in-depth tutorials, and educational content on credit repair strategies would enhance its value proposition. Finally, remember that no credit repair software is a magic bullet. It's a tool to facilitate the process, but ultimately, success depends on your knowledge, persistence, and understanding of your rights as a consumer. DisputeFox, when used correctly, can be a powerful asset. But if you're unwilling to invest the time to learn the nuances of credit repair, you may not fully realize its potential. Consider your budget, technical aptitude, and desired level of involvement before deciding if DisputeFox is the right fit for your needs.